Hey, welcome to this module. I'm going to basically go through the store setup process and how you can set up your store fairly quickly. And basically what I'm doing here is showing you step by step how to make sure your store is functioning, making sure that it converts well when people land onto the store. And then obviously I'm going to create this new store from scratch and take it from around $500 to $1,000 a day in a relatively short time. So let's go to Shopify.com. Let's set up the free 14-day trial. So I made a Gmail account, and then I put a password, and then I'm gonna pick a store name. I'm just gonna say Tour the Planet. Um, See if it goes through. You want to pick a name, in my opinion. So I might talk about this in another module or another video, but you want to pick a name that is not niche related. So we're going to create a general store. Reason being is you're going to have the most chances of success because you're going to have the availability of more products. When, like, for example, if you pick like Husky and Co, that then you're only limited to dog products, and you're shooting yourself in the foot because you can't experiment with a lot of products. So it's saying, tell us a little bit about yourself. Um, I'm just playing around. I'm not saying I'm with a different system. Say I'm not selling products yet. Do you have something to sell? I'm still I think this is just, don't worry about this. This is just like them surveying you. Please choose one. $0. I'm just getting started. And next. And you want to put your name. Okay, amazing. So I just signed up for the trial, and it says select a plan. Let me see. I believe you won't select anything yet. Yes. So after the 14-day trial, you're gonna select the basic Shopify plan, $29 a month, and that gives you two staff accounts. So in the future, when you hire people, you'll be able to have two people access your account. Keep in mind, so they do take away fees. They'll take away like this 2 or 3% fee. It's pretty standard, to be honest. And cool. So now you have everything set up, and in the next video, I'll show you how to set up the apps and then also the just the general settings.